another golden and glamorous Poila Boishakh makeup look just for you guys. And for this look, I drew inspiration from the new Luxe Sensuous Sandal. It's a striking new addition to the Luxe Forever collection, and it has the fragrance of Italian jasmine and sandalwood. The moment I saw the beautiful golden yellow color, I knew this color combo would look great for a Boishakh look as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for the transition shade, I'm going to go for this shade from the Focalure palette, Pink and Warm Coppers. This peachy, yellowish and kind of orange. And as you can see, I already did my base today. And I'm also going to use this color on my lower lash line. And also apply it on the outer V. And now I'm going to take this brown color and create depth into my eyes. And now I'm going to take a darker shade, and this is the Revolution Makeup Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to take this shade. And when that's done, I am going to take more of the orangey peachy shade and take the dark shade again, drag it across my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use my fingers and do my lid, and I'm going to take this shade or this shade. I'm really confused. I guess I'll take both. Let's see what happens. And if you want to be more precise, you can just go with Q-tip sponge brush like this one. Then I'm going to take this color again. You can see the lid color more precisely. And I'll just go and do my other eye, and I'll be right back. So I finished off this eye, and you guys can see how the look is going to be. And now I'm going to go ahead and finish off this one. And I already powdered my under eye so that there's no fallout. And now I'm going to line my eyes using the LA Girl Feline Eyeliner. If you want to know what is the shade of this lipstick, or details about my contact lenses, lashes, whatsoever, everything is in the description box. And I'm going to apply glitter just over the crease, I mean in between the crease. The glitter is from La Femme, and this is the gold one. And now I'm going to apply my lashes on this eye, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corners using this shade, and also highlight my brow bone. We're done. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it, and I want to wish all of you guys a very happy Bengali New Year. Shubho Noboborsho Shobaike. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel Makeup Majesty, and definitely leave a comment down below. And I'll definitely see you guys on my next tutorial. So keep waiting and keep on giving me all of your love. I love you guys.